Hi and welcome back to Classic MGB. Now, you may remember a few months ago we reviewed an AsperX Power Pack and car starter, which we rather liked, and they seemed to like the review as well, so they sent over their latest product. That said, their glossy video makes out that this thing is something that will change your life. I don't really think it's life-changing, but nevertheless should be of interest to anyone that needs power on the move. So, whether you need to charge a phone, run a laptop, or power any USB device, this one may be worth a closer look. So let's strip away the marketing hype and dive right in. Firstly, let's look at the specs. The AsperX Portable Power Station is a power bank with a 60,000 mAh capacity and multiple outputs. It uses a lithium iron phosphate battery, which is apparently the best chemistry for safety and a long service life, so with luck it won't burst into flames or pack up after a month or two. On the output side, it offers dual USB-C power delivery or PD ports, rated at 140 watts each, although the combined maximum of the unit is 200 watts across all its ports. There are also USB-A outputs plus a DC port. The dual USB-C ports make this power station very effective for fast charging higher wattage devices like laptops, although the 200 watt total output means it's not suited for very high draw applications like big power tools or full-size fridges, but it's more than capable for smartphones, laptops, cameras and smaller gear. With a large battery like this, it's also reassuring there are multiple safety layers like overcharge protection, overcurrent protection and temperature protection. It also has multiple international safety certifications. Another useful feature is the built-in 3-watt lamp, which has 4 modes: normal, strong, SOS and strobe. Remarkably, although not being too powerful, this lamp can run for about 42 hours on its lowest power setting. So that's the headlines. Let's take a closer look. So as you can see, the unit is pretty compact. It's just 4 inches by 4 inches by 7.5 inches, and it weighs about 4 pounds. That's 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 20 for the metrically minded. And it feels really well built, actually. The sockets look really strong and secure. I've tried plugging things in a few times and charging them, and it's actually really simple to use. So let's switch it on and see what happens. So I press and hold the button. On comes the power, and there it is. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. I'll just put that onto that camera there. So hopefully you can see that reasonably clearly. And you see it's a nice display. It's actually still got the plastic on it, so you could pull that off and that might make it a bit clearer. So you can see it says 61% charged, and the input power and the output power, which is really useful because what you can do is when you plug the USB-C in, it will actually show how much wattage is there. So I tried it on a 60 watt charger, which I use for my iPad, and it charged in about 2 hours, which was really, really good. And of course, output power, you can see how much power it's drawing. So looking at the sockets, you can see there's the DC ports there. There's the USB-C ports, which are PD ports in and out, interestingly, and 2 USB-A ports. Now, one of the things that a number of power banks do is they have some sort of inverter which allows you to have a 240 volt plug on it, or an AC power thing. This one doesn't have that. I guess you probably need a bit more power to run AC type devices, but nevertheless still very useful and very, very clear to use. Useful handle here. And the light is quite clever. It sits in the bottom there and it's kind of rubberized, so you can see it sort of pops up out of the top and you just press the button and the light should come on. There it is. And that's the lowest power setting. And you can press it again and it gives you a higher power setting. Press it again and it starts flashing or strobing. Press it again and the flashing gets even faster. And then you go back to off again. So really, really simple to use and actually surprisingly powerful. Under these kind of studio lights, you can't really see how bright it is, but it's actually pretty good, particularly in sort of dark for, you know, in the car or whatever. If you had it in the car, you could use this long-term 42 hours on the lowest power. So if you got stuck in the car or just in the car for whatever reason. So that's pretty useful. So, as I say, very straightforward, easy to lug about. So, let's now summarize the pros and cons. So let's start with the pros. It's got a strong safety profile. As we said, the battery chemistry and multiple protection layers mean that this should be a safe, reliable unit. It is powerful and portable. With 192 watt-hours of capacity in a compact body, it's relatively easy to transport and provides plenty of power. We talked about the fast-charging USB-C with the dual 140-watt PD ports, which are great for modern, power-hungry devices. Good customer support. Now, the company have been very responsive to us, but you'd kind of expect that for a review. But also, online reports suggest that after-sales service is very good as well, which is something you really want in this sort of product, I think. It also has pass-through capability, so if you were running a mission-critical USB device, it can work as an uninterrupted power supply for essential devices. So, getting onto the cons, we said no AC output, so with this amount of power available, it would have been useful to have some sort of AC outlet to allow mains powered devices to be run. In order to charge it quickly, you do need quite a powerful USB-C charger. I mentioned the 60-watt charger that I use for my iPad. That was ideal. It will charge using a lower power one, but of course, it won't charge quite as quickly. Some customers said that the light isn't super bright. I mean, we've found it okay, but it's perhaps not as bright. If you bought a dedicated light, it wouldn't be as bright. Another thing, there's no 12-volt car adapter. It is a shame that a 12-volt car adapter or socket isn't included, which could reduce the load on the car battery to power devices like compressors or coffee makers. So there you go, a well-built unit that offers plenty of power, and the company have offered a special deal for viewers of the channel through Amazon. The normal price is £109, but if you use the affiliate link in the description, you'll get it for £59.99, that's UK prices, if you use the code MGB-Power1. This is a limited time offer though, and it expires on the 15th of February 2026, so get in quick if you want one. Now, I said at the beginning, we don't do many reviews, so do let us know in the comments what you think. Do you like our reviews? Do you like reviews? Also, if there's any products that you'd like us to review, we'll see what we can do. We love reading the comments as well, so we do try to reply personally to everyone. In the meantime, if you've enjoyed the video, we'd really appreciate it if you give it a like, share it with anyone that's interested, and also subscribe to the channel because it really helps that YouTube algorithm get our content to new viewers. As always, many thanks for watching and take care.